making my recipe about ground pork with potatoes, mashed potato. This one is onion and garlic. I mash it, and this potato I mash it. First thing I need to do, put this cooking oil a little bit. Oh, it's a little bit, it's more. And then I need to get my ladle. So I have lots of ladle. I was cooking my rice where I cut wood, and then when the oil is a little bit hot, I put more oil, so I need to get some oil. Wait, put a little bit oil because it's pork, so it gives oil too. So I will put the onion and garlic. I'll put it in a little bit low heat so that my onion will not burn. My garlic, I just mix it one time to saute, and then when it's getting brown, I will this is my first time to cook this one, but I cook once in a while in the Philippines. So when it's getting brown, I will put the ground pork. This is a ground pork. I put some soy sauce with black pepper, with a little bit powder of garlic, and it's a little bit brown, so I will put already the ground pork. I just put in a very low heat. And then I'll put this so I mix the mash with this ground pork, and the side is still low in heat. After this one, it's like being cooked already, and then I mix my potato. Because I don't want to, when I put the meat, I will not put the mashed potato, because it's easily cooked because I mashed it already. And there's still some left, so I'll put the mashed potato in everything not red already. Okay? So the potato it's still a little bit red, but it's already, so I will mix now this mashed potato. Okay? Maybe not really. I don't want to put more mashed potato because my meat is not really as possible. You put a little bit mash only if your meat is very how many pounds only, or else it's the meat, you cannot see the meat. So with this one I will put a cover and stay for a while, and then maybe I'll add some, either I put some soy sauce or what. The taste is not, if there's something not missing, I'm gonna cover it. So that's it. That's ground pork with mice potato for my breakfast and lunch in the work. So okay, bye. There's more meat than minced potato, or you chop the potato in very small. Sorry, the word that I used was might it be mince or chop the potato very small. So I'm gonna maybe put some soy sauce because it's a little bit, and some black pepper to make it more a little bit spicy. And yeah, this is my, while I'm cooking, I was also doing my listening some of the routine day, or if I was doing something, I would just play either song or listening some preaching. So my dining table is so messy. I have this bag ready for work, and I have my sewing machine where that's next time I'm gonna start my sewing machine, my curtains, what do you call this one, curtain hobby. So that's it. That's for today. Okay, bye bye. Bye. Cook as possible, especially if it's meat. I need to clean right after because it contaminates. That's my sink. Got this brush for when it's hard for my keto or what wok. So the glass for my husband. So this one, I usually use this one only for the some garlic, onion, but I seldom to use this for the meat, because when you use chopping board for meat, it's only for meat, and the knife don't mix the meat and the pork to what do you call this one, chicken, because it's contaminated. So when you have some extra, this one, what do you call this, onion, so you're gonna cover it and put in the fridge. There's some water that I use, so I need to wash now because I need to go to work. So that's my kitchen is so very messy. So that one, I love more flowers. I have some kind of, I have a fountain here, so that's my fountain. I'm just using that once in a while. That's my, this is my, what do you call this one, bread maker or bread machine. I have this for my cake. I have this for, what is this, and that's my tools for my bakery and some other stuffs. This for my banana. And what else? So I'm gonna wash. Bye. Hi. Now this morning I will make some kind of toasted bread for my mother-in-law breakfast. So 2 pieces of bread. I'm gonna put it there, and just how many minutes? Just minutes. It will pop up and it's done. So with her coffee, give it to her coffee with toasted bread with the butter. So that's it. for my mother-in-law breakfast. Okay, bye.